Hi loves, welcome to the channel. I hope you're doing well. In today's video is something slightly different. I am doing my workout at home. I do have a membership card to go to the gym and stuff, but sometimes with a little girl, a single mom, it's very hard for me to pop out and I cannot take her to the gym. So today is a home workout. I'm just winging it, and yeah guys, just follow through if you wish. Like I said, is working out all the areas in my body that I feel I need to put some work into. Guys, I'm trying to work out my arms a lot because I find when I put weight on, it tends to sort of go on my arms and I really don't like it. And yeah, so arms, legs, and the abdomen area as well. So like I said, I'm not an expert, but I hope you enjoy and you can follow with me or keep me company if you like. And I'll be doing these type of videos more often as well. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I've got plenty of videos coming your way. Cleaning with me, cooking with me, fashion hauls, and also I've been thrifting a lot online. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and like I said, please subscribe and share. Thank you. Guys, every day a little bit of exercise does help, especially for what we're going through at the moment in the world. Our mental health is being affected. I mean, things are very different right now, and we need to exercise, guys. It's important, no matter if you are very slender, if you are big, if you are small, no matter what size you are. It's really nothing to do with just, being fat, if you like. So exercising does release the happy hormones in the body, in the brain rather, and it's very important. You will notice as soon as you exercise how you feel during the day. It's just amazing. Guys, now to my favorite bit, the stomach area. Guys, it hurts. This part of the exercise, it does hurt. If you do like 50 or 100 in one go, you see results. Definitely, it's very difficult. You have to keep practicing. I know it seems like only a tiny bit of exercise, but trust me, these home workouts are amazing. If you want to lose weight, if you want to keep fit, I've been doing it for the last week or so, and I feel much better. You should try. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Support the channel. That's very important. Alright.